Hello everyone, I'm here with Maria and it's me, Gabby. We're gonna go on a nature walk. In this nature walk, I want you guys to find anything that you would like to put on a tree. It could be flowers, grass, leaves, really anything.
And permission from your parents. We found these little flowers. They're so cute. I think it should be, it would look better in our tree. So I'm gonna grab one. And you put it in your bag.
We'll keep walking a little further and see what we find. Okay guys, we found some type of plant. We don't know what it is, but if you can tell us what it is, and we'll see if we can get you a prize.
Now we're gonna show you how to make our nature tree.
Okay, now it comes to the fun part with all the pieces that you collected. You're gonna grab some tape. I suggest to lay out all your stuff onto your paper first before you tape it. So we already did that part. We're just gonna go ahead and tape it. Now we're just gonna tape it all onto the tree, onto the paper. We'll show you the finished product. Okay, we finished our nature tree, and by this time you should have had a good walk with your parent, and I'll show you up close how it turned out. Okay, now don't forget to comment below and let us know what type of plant you think it is. And we actually saw that it was growing in the front of our building. We're gonna let it grow and see what happens. See you guys next time.